Hey everybody, long time no see. Yeah, I know I ain't been on in a long time. I've been super busy, but mosquitoes flying around me, but getting my hands dirty today. Work's got really busy. I like the summertime, vacation. People are all pouring in here, and I'm just working 6 days, 10, 12 hours a day. So, by the time I get off work, take a shower, eat, and all that stuff, I don't feel like messing with no video. I'm sorry for that, but yeah, the days are long. What I'm doing today though is tackling all these projects. It's been, man, this past couple of weeks has been, I'm just gonna say it's been horrible. Anything that could go wrong has gone wrong. Let's see, where I want to start real quick. Update on the fridge. Remember I put that foam board around it like old Bob said? In my opinion, it don't work. Seems like my refrigerator runs twice as much as it used to. So that's gone. Well, I haven't taken it off yet, but I'm going to. Alternator went out 2 days ago. Had to buy a new alternator to put on here. Today, I'm doing more work. The EGR valve went bad. I bought one of them. I'm going to put it on today. Going to do my tune-up, my plugs and everything. Well, here, let me just show you real quick. It's supposed to rain, so I'm trying to hurry up and get this done. But let me turn it around and I'll show you what I'm doing. Alright, so I got the seat pulled out. All that junk's out. Got the motor uncovered. Let me go around the front here. I can't even see the EGR valve. That's going to be super fun. But if you look right down there, you'll see that brand new shiny alternator I put on. Well, you may be see that old rusty looking pipe thing right there? Well, that's part of the EGR valve I gotta get to. I'm dreading that, but I'm gonna get her done. Right now, I'm doing the easy part. Well, kind of easy. Changing plugs. I done changed 2 of them. I gotta change the wires, which ain't gonna be so easy. Because, yeah, right here they are, but they run up behind the intake here. Up in there. They look like they wrapped it around everything they could find to wrap it around. And then goes to the distributor, so I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get to that. Let me pause this video right here. I just want to get started on the short video since I haven't been on so long, and let me get some of this knocked out, and I'll get back to you. All right, 1 hour later, I got the plugs done. I don't know if you can see it. I think it was time to change them. Them some cruddy old looking things, man. Now to be honest, I always preach maintenance on my vans. And I do. I keep up on maintenance, but these plugs, I've never changed them since I've had this van. I've had it 2 years. But it runs so good, so, kind of believe if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But she went to running bad here recently, and that's got to be one of the problems. I mean, I believe that's the original plug. The only reason I say that, it ain't going to focus, but see that orange dot on there, on the end of it? I believe that's a factory mark. Because, when they're building something in the factory, they put a mark on everything. It don't matter what it is. Even my seat, when I took the seat out, it had a mark on it. So I think these are factory plugs. But anyway, we're going to start on project number 2. It's a beautiful day out here, but the mosquitoes are still so bad. They're eating me alive. If you can see, getting a little dirty. There's that new shiny alternator I had to put on the other day. But I'm going to attempt this job right here. This is the EGR valve, or engine gas recirculator. Now I got a code that popped up, and I tested it, and it's what it said it was, so I'm going to attempt to change it. And that guy is right there. That piece right there. I don't know how fun this is going to be, but I done got the breather box off. It's right there. Got a few more things I could get out of my way, but get started on that, I guess. Alright then, let me quit yapping and try to get this done. I'm going to try to get all this done before it rains. I'll be back with you here in just a minute. Alright, I think I got everything done. Well, I got a piece of vacuum line I got to change. But I put all new plugs in and wires. That's done. We'll go out here. Man, I'm dirty. Gonna take me a shower, but anyway, New alternator's on. Here's the old EGR valve. I don't know if you can see that shiny piece of metal back there. That's a new EGR valve. Make sure I got everything. Let me get this hose up out of the way. I'm gonna see if she's gonna run. Give me just a second here. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Everything's up out of the way. All right, this is the moment of truth. Got the batteries hooked back up. Yep, I think I'm gonna try it. Which I still gotta put all this back together, but before I do, I'm gonna make sure the old girl's gonna run. Get my key out here. Alrighty, here goes nothing. Oop, come on, girl. Oop. Hey, there we go. She normally starts first try, but I do have the breather off, so that might be what it is. Alrighty. Sounds good. Everything looks good. I believe we did a good job. Man, I know I'm filthy. Old motor's running smooth. Sounds good. Yep. Let me give her just a little bump here. Oh yeah. Sounding real good. Alright. I believe that's going to end this video here. I'll try to get back. Man, I've got my dirty hands everywhere. I'll try to get back on here more often. Like I said, it's a vacation season. The summertime season has started around here. It's getting crazy busy. I'm working a lot of hours, and you know, like I said, every time I shower and eat, go to bed, you know, I ain't worried about making no video. But anyway, I had to get this done. I've been putting it off. It had to be done. I got it done, and I'm glad. I got black on my nose. And I just made it worse. But anyway, yeah. I think I'm gonna end this video right here. I'll try to get back on here as soon as I can. Hope y'all having a great day. Enjoying your Memorial Weekend. I think, well, by the time what is the day? Today's Saturday? Yeah, by the time I put this up, it'll be over with. But I hope y'all enjoyed your Memorial Weekend and having a great day. God bless you.